Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing about uh, the institutional support to entrepreneurs. And we will be discussing about the institutions which are supporting the entrepreneurs while doing their venture. Now we will see about why institutional support is needed. Starting a small scale unit, particularly in MSME sector, idea generation, though it is difficult, it can be done, but what is most important is making available the funds required for starting and running the business organization. So to cater to the needs of the small scale sector or the MSME, now governments at uh, central level as well as state level have set up more number of institutions to support the entrepreneurs to do their business in a smooth way. Now we will see uh, the important institutions which are assisting the entrepreneurs. First, we will see the District Industries Center, DICs. In India, each and every district will have a district industries center to support the small scale entrepreneurs, the educated youth or uneducated youth, for making them to be the successful entrepreneurs. From uh, identification of business opportunities, preparation of project reports, getting approval from all the government or offices in a single window system, the district industry center will get permission from all the government organization uh, in a single window system. Then we will see the industrial estates. So government at the state level constructs industrial estates for providing facilities to the uh, small scale entrepreneurs due to they cannot afford the setting up of units or investment in land or other infrastructure facilities. So in Tamil Nadu, with the help of the State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu, which is SIPCOT, the government constructs industrial estates at different places in different districts of our state. So where the facilities will be made available by the government and it can be given to the entrepreneurs based on some eligibility or application criteria. Now we will see the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, which is the NSSIC, which was established in 1955. So it has been working to fulfill its mission of promoting, aiding, and fostering the growth of small scale industries. Now it is renamed as MSME businesses in our country. The major functions of NSIC is the promotion of modernization, upgradation of technology, making the entrepreneurs aware of the quality of their product, which is quality consciousness, and then strengthening the linkages with the large and medium enterprises like the ancillary or subsidiary industries and enhancing export projects and products from small scale enterprises. So this is the website of NSIC. You can uh, visit there and you can get more inputs from the nsic.co.in. Then the State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu, which is the SIPCOT. So it is the major unit wholly owned by the government of Tamil Nadu, which promotes industries in the state. So SIPCOT has rendered fruitful services to the state by identifying, developing, maintaining, and in it, maintaining industrial areas in backward and most backward areas of our state. SIPCOT's role in assisting the industrialization in the state is not only not only quantitative but also qualitative. Instead of just